So this is the Dell Latitude 5440 laptop, and I'm just showing you the unboxing, and what you see is what the connections are on the laptop. And this is the Intel Core i5-1335U, and that's what comes in with the laptop. And on the side, those are your connectors. I'm connecting my headphones as well as my microphone, because I use this for work, and I do have connection for like the internet as well. So it is renowned for its focus on catering to the business laptop segment, and it offers a balanced performance, durability, and features tailored to meet the demands of a business-oriented audience. Also, it is powered by Intel's 13th generation Core i5-1335U CPU that is integrated with Intel Iris Xe GPU. So this is also a non-touch IPS display.